glad you dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
And now, my fine people, presto. Come on now, what's the matter? You're holding up the show. How humiliating. Guess who? Don't bear me not on the lone prairie, where the hungry wolf can trail me in a shady spot by a fir tree. Welcome to Rigor Mortis, the original one-hearse town. Wanted, dead or alive, Buzz Buzzard.
Hold it, boys, hold it. As your newly elected sheriff, I intend to run this here Buzz Buzzard clean out of the county.
Oh, yeah? Well, you better start a running, Sheriff.
It's a buzzer.
Now let's see. My first shot was in the rough. Back on the fairway in 2. Over the green in 3. Back on in 4. And took 2 putts. For a 6. The scores is a-getting tougher all the time.
But bear me not on the prairie. Sheriff wanted. Pensions paid promptly to widows. Well, I came along just in the nick of time. Now, where's this guy they call Buzz Buzzard? When I get my hands on that buzzard, I'll tear out his gizzards. Uh-oh.
Now then, which gizzard was you gonna tear out of what buzzard? Hold it, don't nobody move. Me and the new sheriff's gonna have a drink together. Ain't we, Sheriff? What'll you have, Shorty?
I'm a-having red-eye. What's yours?
Make mine red eye too. draw, Sheriff, 'cause I'm a-coming to get you.
Buzz, old boy. You can do it. Keep up the old fight.
Going up?
Going down.